Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the file size before exporting your videos in CapCut PC. So here I'm going to export my video. So click on the export button at the top. So in here, currently the file size is about 38 megabyte. If you want a smaller one, you can just change the resolution of the video results. So I'm going to click on this box and the resolution, and I'm going to go with, for example, 480p. Now the size will reducing or will decrease into only 16 megabyte. So if you want to make it higher, you can go with 2K or 4K. Now the size will increase like this, and after that you can click on export. So that's how you can change the file size in CapCut PC. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.